What's up? Be out in nature today. You know, just doing our thing. If I'm looking down too much, it's because I'm looking at the rocks on the ground that I'm walking on right now. Not the best hiking equipment at the moment, but we'll make do, you know? My backpack's a little bit small, but again, we'll make do. So how you guys doing today? Been having a rough week. Most importantly, you know, trying to be here now, but just think it's like really fucking hard right now, you know? So took this very beautiful day out. Beautiful day to appreciate the one and to come out here and display my gratitude. I made some tea. Looks like pee, but I can assure you it's not. Hit the gym today for some nice heavy legs. Didn't squat too much. I'm trying to deload off squats. Really been killing my back. And also my legs, but my legs are skinny, they need it, right? So, but did some heavy deadlifts today. Almost like, I don't know, like I did like 90% of my max on deadlifts for reps. Felt really good today about that. They were kind of cheat deadlifts. They were like RDLs. I'd say I lift up so I don't have to go all the way down to the floor and kill my fucking back. So I was really trying to take my back light today because I did a heavy back 2 days ago. Anyway, whatever. I got my tea, and we're gonna just enjoy nature. However that may be, I don't know. My arm's already getting tired. So I think I'm gonna put you guys down. I need a fucking tripod. But yeah, you know, let's drink this tea. Let's try it, actually. Let's try it on camera, because why not? I ran out of tea. I ran out of tea. I don't know where it went. Maybe I should have checked that box. But that's besides the point. I got some mint from outside in my garden. And I also got some, well, I'm gonna be honest. It smelled like mint. So I don't really know if it's mint. It was just growing in a lot, like in abundance. So I took it as, that's mint. Smells like mint, looks like mint, gotta be mint. Hopefully I just have an ego death today. I don't actually have a death, but if I do, you know, we'll just be here now. Doesn't really matter. But yeah, I think we're approaching, no, not even close. I want to close this actually because I want to talk about it a little bit more. So what I made the tea out of was, I got some dandelions. I cut the dandelion tops, like the yellow part of the dandelion, not the lion part, but the actual dandy part, you know? And when they become dandies and not lions anymore. Or maybe it's the other way around. Anyway, we are approaching this rocket. This is a cool little monolith rock that I found on this path, this trail. I'm trying to say both words at the same time. I really enjoy this rock. I'm gonna go show you it too, but sorry, I'm just quiet the mind, you know? I like talking though, so that's why I got the camera. Might as well use it. Oh, here it is. Maybe I'll drink, seems like a bug's home actually, but not the best lighting, but here, I'll show you. Look at that. enjoy this rock. As you can probably see why. It's just really nice, you know? So that's the plan. Whatever I just said, it's probably gonna be the plan. Oh, this tea. Let's talk about it. So the tea is made out of dandelion tops, yellow parts, just the actual, not any of the green, and then that mint that I found. And I just moved to this place, so I don't have anything really growing around, or if I do, I haven't really seen it, you know. So, but that was it, and I put some fresh. What are these? I think they're golden teachers. Fresh golden teacher mushrooms. Cut them up real nice into the tea. Let that shit, you know, seep. It smelled like garbage when I first put it in. That's why I had to get the rest of the stuff, because I thought I had tea. And I usually just put the tea bag in there, it balances it out with the lemons, and no lemon. It smells like green. So we're really gonna. Anything's better than eating them for me, though. I can't eat them anymore. Just been, you know, too much. So anyway, we're gonna get on this right here. Let's see how she goes. Cheers, my friends. I'm pleasantly surprised. That actually tastes really pleasant. It's like a warm dandelion, you know? You ever had, it's not the dandelion root though. The root will taste like a coffee, chocolatey. It tastes like how a dandelion smells, with some mint, maybe a little bit of mushroom undertones, but like, man, that's good. Man. Phew. Oh, there's the mint. Maybe I should mix it up a little bit. Maybe it's separating. I hope that's mint. If it's not, I might have a bad time. You know, it's probably not even mint. I did taste it though. It's probably not something I'm allergic to. So I should be okay. And I'm pretty sure it's mint. Just not like spearmint or anything. Oh, look at this nature. Hold on. One thing I like about tea is this shit kicks in. If you're looking for something, sorry if I'm keep on doing this to y'all. My arm hurts, bro. But anyway, this shit's hitting right now. Anyway, what I like about the tea is, man, I love drinking mushroom tea. I mean, something about the experience of it is very fluid, more than just eating them. When I eat them, I've had some unpleasant experiences with the tea as well. I'm not gonna say it's a end all be all of everything bad in mushroom, but I'm gonna say that stomach pain, that shit goes away. Any bad thoughts, I don't know, they just kind of flow it better. I feel like without the caps of the mushroom, it's just the psilocybin. But you know, I'm probably not even doing it right. But I still always feel the effects. So it's like, whatever, right? And I made sure I fasted. I haven't eaten, I haven't broken my fast this morning. Let's just look at the sun real fast. Oh, that was beautiful. Probably when I start to roll a joint, I'll bring you guys back out, try to set you up somewhere. roll a joint with me, show you how cool my joints can get. I don't know. Whatever that means. I'm really just focused on the nature, man. That's what I'm here for. Of course, you know, I'm getting high. Doesn't mean you have to get high. This is just my method at the moment of experiencing God and coming within myself, because honestly I have no other way right now. I've been locked in my room voluntarily, not getting sun, not getting nature. I go to the gym every day. I go to work, you know, skip work this week though, because just way too depressed. And I haven't been this depressed in a while. We're not gonna get into my whole life, you know, but it's just like shit. I have my methods, man. I have my own methods to do shit. I gotta stop cursing so much. This is just all a part of the trip, man. And the sooner you realize that, the better off you are. You're not gonna get happy over it. You're still gonna be sad. But at least you're sad with a purpose of something, of achieving happiness. It's not a Liberty cap. I'm just gonna bend it to see. Is there gills under there? Yeah, it looks like it. Off we go. Some YouTuber shit, for real. So anyway, man. I don't know, man. We just gotta learn how to focus on ourselves. Not like that. Everybody gotta learn how to focus on themselves, though. Because I think that's the best thing we can do, is just love ourselves. And just come into love with ourselves. Look at this. I'm back. I don't know, I'm sorry, I'm tripping. Starting to smell the mushroom. Become the mushroom, you know? Big boy's hanging off the tree, man. Old souls. Anyway, this is a great trip so far. I think I just got the party started, whatever that means, and headed down to this little lake area. Oh no! Well, that's just life, I guess. Looks like it just happened. So anyway, yeah, it was a great trip though. Really, honestly, it was pretty good. Just kept talking, really. I guess I should have filmed it, but it's just about being here now. Trying to convert some of my life into being more mindful of myself and like the one, you know? It's beautiful out today, really. And we're gonna, let me see how beautiful it really is, right? We're gonna experience it. Yeah, this water is, that was definitely out before, I believe. It's definitely risen. Still hurts that I can't fucking see it. Like what's under it. That always sucks, but whatever. This is a do not enter sign. So, look at this. Ooh, low battery. It's alright, I brought another one. Bitch. Got him. If this video ends, I'm gonna have a... What's up? I forgot to get you guys on when I rolled up the joint. I got more though, so it's fine. I'm gonna roll up another one. These bugs are way down. So are my clothes. All of them. Except for my shoes, like. Anyway. Yeah, I found like 7 ticks on me though, which is crazy. There's still probably some in my shoes. I gotta take them off and do all that. But I'm gonna go back down to the lake and wash my feet off and all that. Wash my wounds. Roll another joint, maybe take a dip. I'm not sure. I don't even know what time it is. Oh, yeah, I got no battery on this bitch. Fuck, that's fucked. Alright, so anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I don't got any battery.